Hello, I'm Andrea Barker. I work for Lincolnshire, Caring Links on the Workforce Development team.
And I'm Debbie, and I work with Andrea.
And today we're going to be showing you how to use the Whzan digital health box for your remote monitoring. So the other thing that the Whzan tablet will do is if you need to send a picture of maybe something like an injury or rash or the beginnings of a pressure sore, you go to online services, so you click that, and it gives you options to send a message, image, documents, charts, previous readings, previous assessments, or some notes. For the purpose of this demonstration, we're going to do an image to show you how that works. There have been no images added yet, so if there were, there would be some there. But we're going to take an image of Debbie's hand and assume that she's got some rash or something that's come up. So we click New Image. I'll then put that over the area that I want to take a picture of. I can add comments as well. So if I put new rash, or you could put concerns over rash, whatever it is for you. Save that. Are you sure you want to save this photo? Yes, I am. Once you've taken the image, on the device itself, it will upload it and it will show you a little arrow to say that it's been uploaded. So now we've recorded all of Debbie's observations. They're on the device. Just to let you know, you are fine.
I'm fit and healthy.
But the key element of your remote monitoring, digital monitoring, is to know when to escalate any concerns. So the past readings are all there. There may be some of the readings are set to alert you to the fact that it's either lower or higher than it should be. But the main thing is to know when to escalate the concerns.